In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the Graph and Chart tool in your Presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. Click on the white plane to add text. You can do this with the Presenter keyboard by clicking on the keyboard icon or with an actual keyboard that is linked to the device. Enter the names of the different parts in the last column of the table. A colour appears in the first column automatically. You can add data in various ways. Click on a box below Value and enter a number. The percentage, bar, and the portion in the circle adjust automatically. You can also click on the bar chart to add data. To do so, select a column and slide the bar up. The value, percentage, and portion of the circle adjust automatically. You can hide data from the individual cells by selecting them and clicking on the eye icon. Reveal the data by clicking on the eye icon again. You can also cover and reveal an entire row by clicking on the colour and then on the eye icon. The same applies to columns. At the bottom of the table, there is an eye icon that hides or reveals the total value. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the table in case you want to use more than 10 parts. Click on the button that says Bar Chart to only show the bar chart, and on the button that says Pie Chart to only show the pie chart. If you click on the combination button, both charts are displayed once again. Clear all data with the Clear button. Would you like more information about one of these tools? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Graph and Chart. Open Presenter and get going.